What is up, Accurate Traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today, I want to teach you guys how to become a profitable trader trading volatility 75 with this strategy that you see right here on my screen. So I'm going to share with you guys the settings of how to set it up first, and then we're going to talk about the conditions that have to be met in order for you to become a profitable trader using this strategy. Earlier this morning, I was actually in a trade that made me about $40 in profit, and we already withdrew it because that's what we do. We make profit. So today, this is the strategy that I want to share with you guys for you to be a profitable trader on V75, the famous V75. This is really a good index. Number one, because it has got a very high peak value. Number two, because it is very it has a lot of momentum. It moves. So if you manage to get into a position, you're gonna be paid very quickly. Okay, you're gonna be paid very quickly. But before we do that, if you want to get a free 1 month, yes, that's 30 days of my VIP signals for free, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below what you would have learned in this video, and you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing me that you have subscribed, you have liked, and you have commented on our videos, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for 30 days. Yes, it's as simple as that. Subscribe, like, and comment. Share with me the screenshot on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to get my WhatsApp number from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can easily get my WhatsApp number. You can check it out. The first link in the description box below leads you to our free Telegram channel, so you can join it. We're over 8,000 traders in there, and you'll be able to learn one or two things. Okay, let's jump into today's business, which is this V75 strategy. This is a very powerful strategy, guys. And you know me, I don't share things that don't work. So first of all, I'm going to remove all these indicators so that we can have a step-by-step process of installing the strategy. As you can see, we have a blank chart now on V75. We have a blank chart now on V75. So the first indicator that we would want to install is a moving average. So I'm going to go to indicators, then main window, then moving average, and these are the properties that this moving average is going to have. So we're going to have a period of 50, we're going to have a shift of 0, a method of linear weighted, apply to close. There are no levels on this one. And then on the styling, I chose the color purple to be the color of my moving average. So if I click on done, you see that purple line running across my chart. Okay, moving on to the next set of indicators that we need. The next one is the relative strength index, or the RSI, as you guys might know it. And it is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. It's a period of 1, apply to close, and then the levels. These are very important. You're going to need level 30 and you're going to need level 70. You can actually label them. This is a sell zone, and this becomes our buy zone. So you can label them if you want, but if you're just going to remember that at 30 we're buying and at 70 we're selling. Okay, and then you can click on done. And then the styling for this one, we don't want any lines to show up on from our RSI, so we're going to make this the same color as our background, and my background is white. That's why you see there it's white as well. So if I click on done, all you have is something like this. Okay, just for you to take note, this buy zone here refers to this bottom part, not this middle part. Okay, and then this sell zone obviously refers to 70 level going up. Okay, last but not least, we need to install our major indicator that we're going to be using here, which is the Ichimoku, and we want to add it to our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click on indicator window 1 and then look for the Ichimoku, which is right here, and this Ichimoku is going to have the following properties: a Tenkan Sen of 9, a Kijun Sen of 26, a Span B of 52, and then a fail is or should be enabled. And then on the styling, this is very important for you to take note that the Tenkan Sen, the Kijun Sen, and the Span should all have the same color as your background color. So mine are all white, as you can see. All three of them are white because I have a white background and we don't want these lines to show up on our charts. The only lines that we need are the ones for the up Kumo and the down Kumo. So if you click on done, you should have something like this first on your chart. Okay, then you should have something like this first on your chart. Now there's something that we need to correct here. If you noticed, our price is here, but we have the cloud for our Ichimoku even proceeding ahead of our price, and we don't want this. And the only way to correct this, to make our price and our indicator be in line with each other, is to do this. We need to go back to our indicators, go back to the Ichimoku, change the Kijun Sen to 0, right? And then click done. And as you can see, they are now in line. We now have our price and our indicators in line, okay? Which is what we want. So that correction was needed. Make sure you correct it. This is why it's very important for you to watch the whole video throughout, because I might say some things that might help you that you would have skipped or missed, right? So it's very good if you just watch the whole thing. I really try to make these videos so short, 10 minutes or less, so that you guys can, I know you guys will be impatient, but where else can you get a 10 minutes lesson on something that's very important? You see? So you really need to appreciate this. Don't forget to get your 30 days of free signals by just subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and commenting down below what you have learned in this video, and you get your 30 days of my VIP signals starting the moment you send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. Like I said, the WhatsApp number is in our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to our Telegram channel in the description box below. It's completely free to join that Telegram channel. There are over 8,000 traders in there. I post my results. I post about account management, which we do at ATG, at Accurate Traders. If you want to learn more about it, just go in the Telegram channel. You'll be able to see the results, how it works, the growth, and everything. And I post all trading materials that I have in that Telegram channel. Okay. You can also check out our third YouTube channel where I'm teaching Forex basics and Forex currencies strategies. I'll leave the link in the description box below as well. Let's take a look at how to use this strategy. When are you going to enter into a trade and when are you going to exit? What is going to determine your entry? Now, it's very simple to use this strategy. We're obviously going to be doing some top-down analysis, whereby you are going to start from a higher time frame and then go to a lower time frame to actually place your trade. So in this case, we're going to be starting from the 1 hour time frame. And from the 1 hour time frame, we just want to establish the trend of the index, in this case of V75. And how do we get that? It's very simple. If you can just use either one of these two options to check on your trend. The first way is, if candlesticks are above this purple line, it means you are in an uptrend. If they are below the purple line, it means you're now in a downtrend. Okay? Or you can just come to your indicator window 1 here, and if you see this green cloud basically means that we are in an uptrend. This is the up Kumo. It just means that the market is basically pushing up and up and up and up. Okay? And then if it changes to red, you can actually see that you are in a downtrend. So what we want is to first get the trend from my higher time frame, like here. And once we have established the trend, we'll be able to make some trades from our lower time frame, right? So an entry would say we have established that we are in a buy trend, right? Let's just say from here going to our right basically means we're in an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. We can all agree. So what you then do is you can go back to your 15-minute time frame. That's where you are going to get your entry points, and you are now going to be looking for buy opportunities only, right? How do you get a buy opportunity? Basically, you should be in your buy zone. This is where our zones and our indicator window 1 come to play. You should see something like a change of cloud from being red to being green while it's closer or under our level 30, like the area that I pointed out there. When you see that, you come to your chart, you check for a crossover of candlesticks going above our moving average or our purple line there. Remember I said if candlesticks are now above, it means you're not going up. So this is how your buy trade would then come in. And as you can see, the market pushed all the way up and up and up, right? And you can either use risk reward ratio to get your take profit and your stop loss, or you can use the strategy in reverse to get your take profit levels, right? In this case, you would say we have now reached our sell zone, which means probably you're going to reverse, so you probably close your trade. Okay, you can then look again for another entry right here and right here, and can you see what then happened? These are just buy opportunities. So if you check, this kept on happening and happening and happening. Why? Because in our higher time frame, from our H1 time frame, we are in an uptrend, which means these cycles are from a lower time frame will keep on repeating and repeating and repeating and repeating, and we can keep on going over them and over them and over them. But I want you guys to go and practice this first on your demo account before moving on to real account. And once you're comfortable with your demo account, then you can practice on your real account or on yourself, right? It's as simple as that. Until next time.